Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the little Royal Parade on the bench here this morning, and we're just going to do one little thing to it. Well, maybe not a little thing, but we're going to clean that roller that's really glazed over with some kind of outgassing or something. It does rub off kind of easily, but that's pretty gross. So what I'm going to do here is just put a little bit of simple green or simple purple, just a little bit on the rag here, and then a little bit of lacquer thinner right here, just half and half of each. So I just got that dabbed on here, and we're just going to wipe it down. It should just come right off this stuff. And let me put the paper release so it doesn't hit the feed rollers. I'm just going to wipe this one time at least. It's not showing up too bad on the rag, but let's just clean this thing off. Look at that. So that's what it looks like. Just get this kind of rough clean here. I used the soap only because of that outgassing, but now I'm just going to use lacquer thinner straight on the rag and do it again. Maybe blow on it a little, get it to evaporate immediately, and see how she looks. I might do another round just to make sure, just a little bit of chemical. Give it some blow action here. Okay, looks pretty good. A little bit of left over there. There we go. Get this lid off of here. So same thing can be done with the feed rollers. You just move over to the side and just rub these down. These are a little harder to get to in there. You just got to kind of get in there, but that's how you do a Platen clean on a basic typewriter. Platen clean. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.